hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
Technology, Howard University, North Carolina A&T, and Dallas State University. Shout out to Miss Horsley Aaron. Come on, y'all, with a lot of energy, a family. One of great. You become what you focus on, and like the people you spend time with. We love you. We're not going to give up on you, but the question is.
You good? Everybody else already?
So yeah, when you close your board. Close your board.
Congratulations, son. All right, let's try it. Let's go. Okay, good job.
We want to shout out Coach Mike. Yeah! We want to thank him for everything he did for us. That's for you. That's for you.
Thank you for being an amazing coach. Amazing.